What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to fix your seat if it's fabric. It's not the best way. I know there's a lot of other ways, but this is one of the simplest, easiest, fastest job you can do on your fabric seat if it's all ripped up, which I'm about to show y'all in a second on my work truck today. Since it is a work truck, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be better than what it was. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so what you want to go ahead and do and grab a rag and grab a spray can of whatever color your seat is. Like for instance, my seat is black, so I went ahead and bought a can from O'Reilly's and just painted the rag black. That's all I did. Just sprayed it until it got dark enough. And after you done sprayed it, you want to go ahead and let it dry. And after you let it dry, I'm gonna show you the next step. You just make sure you just have it colored in pretty well. Alright, after you done have it colored and let it dry, what you want to go ahead and do is grab a razor blade and just cut around. You want to have less white as possible, depending on the size of your seat. Cut whatever it's at, and you want to go ahead and grab a presser. You see some distance. You're gonna want to tuck in the rag in there, just like that. And then after that, you're gonna want to grab some glue. Just tape it up just like that. Alright, so that was a quick DIY.